Are you learning Arabic and planning to visit an Arabic-speaking country? So pay attention because the first conversation you may have in Arabic is at the airport. In this video, we will learn some essential phrases and questions to use on your way. But first, please subscribe to the channel. This is Easy Arabic and I am Jimmy. At the beginning, you need to know the word أين, which means where. So you may ask about different places, like أين الجمارك? Where is the customs? أين مكتب الجوازات? Where is the passport control office? You may also want to ask أين منطقة استلام الحقائب? Where is the baggage claim area? And you may need to ask أين المغادرة الدولية? Where are the international departures? And أين الوصول? Where are the arrivals? And also أين البوابة العاشرة? Where is gate 10? Or even أين مكتب الاستعلامات? Where is the information office? You should also learn أريد, I would like. So you can say أريد مقعد بجوار النافذة. I'd like a window seat. You may hear smoking area, منطقة تدخين, or no smoking, ممنوع التدخين. So at the passport control office or at the customs, you may be asked, do you have anything to declare? هل لديك ما تفصح عنه? So you may answer ليس عندي ما أفصح عنه. I have nothing to declare. Or I have something to declare. عندي ما أفصح عنه. You need also to learn بطاقة الصعود, boarding pass, and finally have a good trip. رحلة سعيدة. Please don't forget to like the video if you like the content and subscribe to the channel. إلى اللقاء.